Life Over Coffee. Conversations for transformation.
Jesus was clear when he said that you must follow him if you want to walk in the light. The opposite is also true. If you do not follow him, then the only option is walking into ever-increasing darkness as you follow someone or something else. Every relational construct has followers and leaders, which begs the question, who is the leader of your home? In John 8:12, Jesus spoke to them saying, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. After a lot of living and a good bit of failing, one thing I have learned is that my family cannot trust me to be the spiritual leader of our home. This truth is no secret to any of us. I have proven my inability to lead well, and I have put my sin on display in our home too many times. It's crucial that I acknowledge what my family already knows about me and why someone else must be in charge of our home. They need to know that someone who is more capable than me is spiritually leading us. Anything that replaces Christ as the leader of your home is idolatry. God replacements suck the spiritual life out of what should be a vibrant, God-centered home. The first step in orienting your home to God is to speak about what needs to change. You will not be able to do this without the humbling power of the gospel working in the hearts of the parents and the children. The two most common problems in the disoriented home are child-centered families and the passive husband. The child-centered home, some families make their children the centerpiece of the home. Everything revolves around them. The typical mom in a child-centered home can spend 10 to 15 years in a minivan serving the activity-centered child. These kids become increasingly self-centered as their life revolves around their social and activity preferences. These children rarely learn humility, respect, or submission. They typically do not love God or others as much as they love themselves because their parents have not made those two truths a priority. And then the passive husband is another common problem in a disoriented family, the spiritually passive man. The stagnant male leader in the home is where the wife takes more of the spiritual leadership role, while the man is preoccupied with other things that align with his self-centered preferences. Perhaps he has no template for what a male leader should be or values what male leadership should be. Regardless, the passive husband's home is an upside-down family. If the orientation of your home centers on the wrong person or incorrect things, then please understand there is no way to correct the problem unless the husband and wife are willing to talk about the disorientation and make a practical plan to reorient their family so Christ is leading it. If it is not possible to talk about these things for whatever reason, I appeal to you to find someone who can walk with you through the problems. The disoriented home rarely auto-corrects, and if it continues, the inevitable fallout will break your heart. It's time to parent. Number one, who would you say is the point person in your home? Who is spiritually leading your family? If the Lord is not the leader, think through some of the reasons it is not happening. Here are a few things to consider. Do you know what it looks like for Christ to lead the family? Is the husband regularly encouraged to lead the family? Is the wife willing to submit to her husband's leadership? Do you have a child-centered home and don't know how to change it? Will you begin the process of talking about how everyone can submit to Christ as the spiritual leader of your home? When will you begin? And what is your plan? This is day number 5, the orientation of your home.
Thanks for joining us. Learn more and get access to other resources at lifeovercoffee.com.